Running all along, never been righteous, been wrong. Can't find my way back home, lost track of time, lost sight of where I'm from. I need my mama, I need my daddy, need your love. In my mind, just thoughts of lying dead, echoes roaming my head. I have found myself lost in time, feeling so restless, reading. Only if I could turn back the pages of my life.
Let me comment on these wonderful people on stage that made this possible. You know, we can write all we want, we can imagine all we want. If we don't have the right people to deliver our thoughts, then it's meaningless.
What do you do when you're torn apart in a land that's not yours and the home that can be
having the clips on the video on the internet, but now it's huge. I'm like, okay, this is great here. I mean, it's a real fun, brother. It's a real fun. It's a real fun.
Thank you.
And I really appreciate folks from coming. I mean, I couldn't believe this crowd. But thank God they're all here.
Did you work in the rescue?
Thank you very much, sir.
Hello.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm doing wonderful. So what do you think about the cast?
The cast? You mean me, one of the cast?
Yeah.
Oh, we did fabulously well. Everybody did a great job.
Okay. And here, our eye chief.
Yes, so our chief.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great, sir.
So what's your take about the whole pilot?
Man, were you there? Special, man. That was special, man. It's so amazing how it all came together. It's amazing how it all came together, because sometimes when you shoot these scenes, you just shoot your own scene. You don't really get the big picture in the movie. But man, this is a nice work. Casey really outdid himself right here. So now I know that next time he calls me, I'm not gonna hesitate to come out.
You're gonna jump on it.
Definitely, man. Very
right.
great movie, very thought-provoking, very articulate. Plot is outstanding. Casting crew was on point. This is Nollywood, baby. This is Nollywood blockbuster all the way. Let's go there.
All right, thank you. One of the bad boys in the show. You weren't really a bad boy, but you have an idea, in your opinion of your own about the whole thing. So what's your take about the movie?
Actually, I'm blown away, and I'm not just saying it because I'm in the movie. When I first saw the script, it made sense. The whole story that the director, writer Casey was trying to put together. But for it to turn out the way that, of course, it did, it's amazing. You know, I thank God. I know, Casey put in a lot of work, and it feels good. It turned out really good in my opinion, and I've been doing this for a couple of times now, so satisfied.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Hey, bro.
I know you're also part of the movie.
Oh, okay.
So, what's your name?
My name is Sarah Sonye. I played Nana in the movie.
So, what's your take about the whole entire cast?
I love the cast. They were so friendly. They were so welcoming. They're amazing. They're so funny. I just had a great time. It was a really awesome experience.
So, what do you think about the movie itself after everything was put together?
I think because I'm first generation Nigerian, so it was basically me retelling my story kind of in a sense. And so when he was putting it together, I was just like, I felt like I was almost dreaming because like it felt so real, all of it. So I don't know, it was great, and I think he did a really good job capturing the realness of it all because all of it's so realistic.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi, I want the two of you guys together. Hi, how are you? What's your name and what's your name? I remember you from the movie.
My name is Dante.
Hey, what's your name?
Katumbela.
Okay, I know you sang the song in the movie.
Yes, one of the soundtracks.
The soundtrack, sorry. And what's your take about the whole entire movie?
The whole movie, it's interesting because it invites people, to understand more about Africa and the struggles that we are having here as being away from our native homes. And the movie, it makes you learn a lot as well about different cultures. And at the same time, we understand what we go through every single day as being away from our homes. But at the same time, it gives that contrast, that struggle, that some people don't want to go and others want to stay. So the whole movie reflects the whole scenario and the lives of Africans and even other people from different other countries that are away from their native homes. So it's a good experience for other people to see. I would recommend people to see this movie, definitely.
Absolutely, thank you for your take on it. And what about you? So how was the whole entire movie about, and with the sets and clips and everything coming back together. What did you have fun during the shooting and all that?
Definitely fun shooting. That was it was a great experience, and I also did another movie with my father. That was a great experience too, and got to have fun, but also we needed to focus on the set, and it was very serious business, and I also think that this movie is a great lesson.
It was fun. Honestly, I've never done any type of acting before in my life. I would love to probably do another role again. It was fun.
And here comes the big star of the show. Hello, sir. Hi, how are you?
I'm alright. It's Afaji Entertainment.
Hey, yeah, this is your boy at the back. But at the same time, it's not my time, it's your time. So we're talking about yourself. How easy was it for you working with the whole entire cast?
It wasn't quite easy because the cast was so big, but the good thing about it was everybody was able to relate to their own character, the story. So that was the easiest part of the whole thing, was writing a story that everybody could relate to. So the characters assimilated it and was able to deliver well. So that was...
So I know the movie was shot bit by bit and was all pieced together. When everything came all together, what came through your mind? What was your response? Like the picture that you're trying to paint, did it come out as the way you wanted it?
Yes, definitely. The story came out exactly how I had projected. I actually had to drop about 4 scenes from the movie so that it wasn't going to grow too long. We were able to get the message across, and it was